Google can't stop leaking details about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series, and now everything is confirmed about the Pixel 9 Pro. We've seen the Pixel 9 Pro in porcelain white with silver bezels. New leaks reveal everything about the design and internal components. Recent leaks have shown every angle of Google's Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL, including the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro will be powered by a 4,780 mAh battery. The NCC reports also reveal new charging speeds for the Pixel 9 series, including a new 45 watts Google-branded charging brick. The company has announced a Made by Google hardware event for August 13th. Google is adding native support for satellite messaging to Android OS this year with Android 15, and the Pixel 9 family and Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold could be the first to support this feature. The rear camera module has been redesigned but still looks very much like a Pixel phone. The Pixel 9 Pro is also seen in a blue color, which will most likely be joined by more options. The Pixel 9 will offer a 6.01-inch 120Hz OLED display compared to the 6.5-inch display on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro comes with a triple camera setup with some new AI features. The new Google smartphone will feature the Google Tensor G4 and lots of AI capabilities. It will have an octa-core processor with a power core clocked at 3.1 Zen GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.60 GHz, and 4 cores at 1.95 GHz, along with a Mali G715 GPU and 8 or 12 GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 series is expected to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.